Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw tables on Microsoft's app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically it really depends on the app that you are using. So either like you are going to draw a table on Word or presentation, they are similar but kind of different. So for example, if we go to the Excel, Excel is already worksheet or sheets software. So basically, to draw a table, it is already composed of tables. And simply to have like a table, you will be needing to simply like have borders for your matrix, and basically it will be considered as a table. So, or you can simply like create a table from a following matrix, and by that it will start creating a table using this. Or you can do it manually by going to here and basically go to home. You can like just draw all the borders, and from here you can get the table. You can create like have whatever you'd like on this column, etc, etc. Otherwise, if you are want or you want to do it in documents or the Word, or you can do it on the presentation, which is the PowerPoint, you can simply go to the insert menu. And from here, we will find like we need just to search for a table here, or a table format or table insertion. So as you can see here, and here you can choose like the dimensions, and now you can insert a table or draw a table. And the same, or it is similar to the one on the PowerPoint, you will need just to choose like the dimensions, and then a table will be inserted. And basically you will find like a table menu. From here you can find like some design or some style for your table, and now you can like start like do whatever you like on the table. And as you can see, you can resize it, do whatever you like on the table, etc. And basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.